If I suddenly had zero clients tomorrow and had to rebuild my business from scratch, this is exactly where I would start. Every business begins the same way: no clients, no pipeline, no predictable leads. Most businesses assume growth starts with one thing: more leads, more ads, more marketing, more traffic. But the real issue is often something different. You see, opportunities often appear as small signals: a missed call, a message, a website inquiry. But the real issue is often something different. So imagine this: a homeowner searching for a contractor. They call three businesses. The first one to respond usually wins the job. You see, your brain consistently filters information. This filtering system is called the reticular activating system. It filters out information. You see, they call three businesses. The first one to respond usually wins the job. Here's step one: notice every inquiry. The first habit I will build is awareness. Every inquiry matters: calls, messages, website forms, social comments. Step 2: capture every lead. Before automation existed, businesses used simple systems. Created a lead capture list, was a pad of pad, as you see this picture here. It's an example. Create a lead capture list. Ask for the name, ask for the contact, ask for the inquiry, ask for the date, ask for the follow-up. Whatever it takes. You got the phones, but if you don't have a CRM or anything like this, you got manual, pen, paper, and pad. That's all you need. Something to write on. Pen, paper, and your cell phone. It helps. So once again, create a lead capture list: the name, contact, inquiry, date, and follow-up. But speed to lead is very important. So number 2, capture every lead. Step 3, respond fast. Speed to lead. One of the most powerful rules in sales is so simple: the 5-minute response rule. Businesses that respond quickly: name, contact, inquiry, follow up. That's the key, okay? Step 4, follow up consistently. Most leads don't convert immediately. Use a follow up ladder. Day 1, response. Day 2, helpful message. Day 4, reminder. Day 7, check in. Step 5, make leads visible. At this stage, you should clearly see how many inquiries arrived, who responded, who needs follow up. Visibility creates control. Systems create consistency. Remember that. So eventually, businesses turn habits into systems, which a habit is a form of neuroplasticity, which I explain more in webinars. You see other videos on here too. But this is where automation becomes powerful. Nothing slips through the cracks. You see, a structure that captures opportunities, tracks conversations, and ensures follow up. If you'd like to see how businesses turn simple habits into automated systems, I created a breakdown called the Invisible Lead System every growing business has. You can find the link in the description. In the next video, I'll show you something even more interesting: why your brain filters opportunities without you realizing it.